Welcome to the Say Geek, Give Me Free Software or Give Me Death series. Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite free softwares that are out there, and that is OpenOffice. OpenOffice is a super alternative for those of us who may be a little tired of the Microsoft rat race. For those of you who may own small businesses and kind of get tired of having to spend $300 to $400 every 2 or 3 years per computer to upgrade to Microsoft's newest trend, OpenOffice is a nice alternative. One of the features of OpenOffice that you will notice is that it is completely compatible with Microsoft Office and Word. Right now on the screen you're seeing OpenOffice's Writer, which is basically the equivalent of the Microsoft Word. And a lot of the things that you're used to seeing in Microsoft Word, you're going to see in Writer. For instance, the open, the standard toolbar looks very much like what's in Microsoft. The formatting toolbar is very much like what's in Microsoft, the things that you're used to seeing. I'll just type my name here, and we'll do a little bit of formatting. The greatest of typers. I can center it, I can bold it, I can make it larger. Any of the things that you think about in Word that you can normally do, I can do it right here. It behaves just like that. And I can also go to Open, and under Files of Type I can open several different styles, and you can see there's a lot listed there. But under Files of Type I should be able to find in there somewhere Microsoft Word. It's just incredible, the list that you see there. There's PowerPoint. One of the neat things I like about OpenOffice is if you look up here on the File menu and you go to New, you can do all of the Office suite from right here within their Writer. So let's say I go to Spreadsheet. I'm going to minimize that down so we can see it a little bit better in our screen. There. So if I go to Spreadsheet, you can see you have a formula bar just like you would have in Excel. You've got the cells. You can do formulas by typing equals, just like you would in Excel. It's incredible how similar. One of the nice features they have is you can export anything from Microsoft or from OpenOffice into a PDF. So that's a very nice feature. They have their own version of what would be PowerPoint in Microsoft. Theirs is called Presentation, and you can do. I'm going to do an empty presentation here. Click Create here. Let me minimize this down so we can see it better. And if any of you have taken my classes or other classes, you'll know that this looks a whole lot like PowerPoint. You've got the slide view over here. You've got the layouts that we're used to seeing, just like in PowerPoint. I can right-click and hit New Slides. I can add transitions, master pages. They've got some built-in themes that you can apply to your presentations. Pretty nice. So this might be an alternative that you want to look into if you're looking at you're a small business or you just want something for home. This can do very much what you would do in any of the Microsoft products. And one of the nice things is you can either do it as a PDF or you can do a save as, and you can save it as, by default it goes to an open document format, which is their default, but you can click the save as type and you'll notice it's got Word 2003. So you can save it as a Word file and you send it to people that use Microsoft Word. Or you can do earlier versions of Word .doc files. So for people who use an earlier version of Word or they don't have OpenOffice, you can actually work with them. So I hope that maybe you'll enjoy downloading this software. If you go to openoffice.org, It's a very simple install. Just download the file and install on your PC, and I think you'll really like it. Another piece of the pie here they've got is a drawing tool, which is really nice. Try to minimize it here so you can see it. But you can see on the drawing tool here, they've got several shapes, points, symbols, so you can do pretty neat things like flow charts, or you can just do fun little drawings. And it behaves very much like any of the drawing tools that you would see in the Microsoft's products. That's all for the Give Me Software, Give Me Death version for Microsoft, or for Open Office, Microsoft's alternative. And I look forward to actually doing some more tutorials in the future with Open Office, so maybe you'll get a better idea of everything you can do in it.